All right, so now let's talk about the next keywords that we need to understand. Okay, so we have corpus, we have document, we have sentence, then we have vocabulary. Okay, so let's get to understand these. All right. So when we talk about corpus, right, corpus can be a single document, right, or it can be a group of documents that we use as a data set in NLP. Okay, so whatever that you saw earlier on, right, so this one, right, is just one document. Okay, it's one document. So if you have a number of them put together, right, which we can use as a data set in natural language processing, we refer to that as corpus. Okay, we refer to that as corpus. So it can be a single document. Okay, maybe a single PDF. Okay, maybe a single PDF file which contains some text or some information which we want to extract and work on. Okay, that can be a corpus, right? Or it could be some PDFs. Okay, it could be a lot of PDFs that have a lot of information in there, right, which we need to extract, right? Or maybe some text that we have extracted from the internet, then we have stored in some form, right? So maybe some XML form, okay, which is quite a lot. Okay, so those kind of documents that we have is what we refer to as corpus. Okay, what we refer to as corpus, and it can be a collection of text or audio, okay, which are organized into data set. Okay, so that is corpus for you.